Good morning, student. Let's start today's class. Today we will we will learn about hubs, and about switches. Okay. Then, first of all, let us discuss about the hub. Okay. So, what is hub? Okay. A hub is a physical layer networking device. Remember this. Hub is a physical layer networking device. That means the device. This hub is a device which is used in a physical layer, okay, which is used to connect multiple devices in a network. Okay, you know, and in a network many devices are connected. Okay, let's say this is one device, this is one device, this is one device, this is one network. Okay, so here a hub is there. Okay, or 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 here a hub is there, and that hub is connected to the devices. Okay, so the hub is a device which connect multiple devices in a network. Okay, and it works the hub works in the physical layer, okay, of networking. Okay, so they are generally used to connect computers in a lane. Okay, so in a lane the computers are connected using hub. Okay, and hub has many ports in it, and computers are connected to these ports. Okay, so then whenever a data come to hub, okay, it send it to each computer, okay, with with sorry, this is without with not with without identifying the actual destination computer. Okay, so this is the disadvantages in using hub. Okay, so in hub, this is a hub. Okay, so in hub whenever there is a data come, okay, let's say 1 minute, let's say we give a data to the hub. Okay, let's say 1011. Okay, so the hub, what does the hub does, that it transmit that data to all devices connected to it. Okay, so this data will be sent here. Okay, and the hub cannot identify the destination address or destination device. Okay, let's this information want to send this computer. Okay, so hub, what does hub do, that it transmit the data to all the devices. Okay, so this is the disadvantages of hub. Okay, and mm, multiple levels of hub can be cascaded in a hierarchy configuration. Okay, so level 1, level 2, level 3, this type of labeling hubs can be connected in cascade in a hierarchical configuration. Okay, hierarchical means small to bigger, or bigger to small, that is starting one hop, then two hop, then three hop, then four hop, yes, in this way, or from down to one hop, then up to two hop, then up three hop, that's like. Okay, so this is called hierarchical configuration. Okay, now the figure, this figure you see, this is one hop, and this is one hop, this is one hop. Okay, and station. So this is hierarchical, first one, then two, then this is only two layer star topology. If there are three layer, so here also hop, here also hop, here also hop, here also hop. Okay, so figure illustrate two level configuration. Okay, there is one header hub, okay, which is H hub. This main hub is called header hub. Okay, this is only one in a network. Okay, and one or more intermediate hub. Okay, this is called intermediate hub, or the hub which take information from header hub, that called intermediate hub. Okay, so all this about hub. Okay, now let us discuss about switch. Okay, switches. A switch is a data link layer networking device. Okay, remember this is difference of the hub and the switch is that the hub is a physical layer devices, but switch is a data link layer devices. Okay, and that switch connect devices in a network and use packet switching to send and receive data over the network. Okay, in hub what happened in hub, hub also hub also doing the function of connecting devices to the network. Here switch also doing same work, but in hub the information send randomly, not randomly, freely. Okay, freely means hub send the one information to every devices. Okay, so eventually the destination device get the information, but here switch does what, that it send the information by using packet switching method. Okay, in packet switching I have already told you the process of packet switching method. Okay, now like hub, a switch has also have many ports. Okay, to which computers are plugged in. Okay, however, when a data frame arrived at any port of the network switch, okay, that switch network, it examined the destination address. Who examined? The switch examined that what is the destination address. Okay, then send the frame to the corresponding devices. This is the difference. This is the advantages of using switch over hub. Okay, so in switch what happened, first of all, when the information is come to the switch, first of all switch examine that information and find out the address of destination. Okay, so after finding the address of destination, it send that information only to that destination port or destination port, and through the transmission wire that information reached in the destination. Okay, or destination devices. Okay, this is the advantages. Okay, then this is support both unicast and multicast communication. Okay, you see, if here what happened, if a information 1011, okay, send, okay, this is the device A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so here switch, the advantage of switch is that whenever we send the information to the switch first examine what is the destination address. Let's this information have a destination address B. Okay, so its destination is B. Okay, so after getting that information about destination which is B, the switch send the the port through which the B is connected. Okay, and send the information to that port, and after that the information going through the line to the destination B. Uh, in Hope case what happened, this no exam, the Hope did examine anything. They send the information to all the possible, all the uh, connected devices, and eventually the destination or the destination device get the information. Okay, with that, or the destination, not only destination address or devices get that information, but also all the devices which is connected to the hub get the information. So there is a security problem also there. Okay, privacy problem over there. Okay, so all the security and privacy problem resolved in the switch case. Okay, so that's all about hub and switch. Thank you.